Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
In this COVID-19 situation, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department has started the online education for all children. First of all, I would like to give my introduction in very short. Myself, Bharat Bandal from Mahim Mori Road Municipal Upper Primary English School. Before starting the, I would like to say thank you to my administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam, my nodal beat officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade sir, nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Anand Madam, and my CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule. Now, students, tell me what you see in this picture.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Two pencils are given. Okay. First
Okay.
one is A and second one is a
B.
B.
okay. So now the length of the pencils also given. Dekho, length also given. What is the length of the first pencil? A pencil?
5
5
centimeter.
centimeter.
Yeah, very
5
good.
centimeter.
And the next one,
8 centimeter.
Centimeter.
8 centimeters. Okay. So when we compare these two pencils, that time what we can say when we compare these two pencils with one another, that time what we can say,
The A pencil.
we can say that yes, the pencil A
The A
is
pencil is
shorter than,
shorter, B pencil is bigger.
yes, A pencil is short and B pencil is big. So we can say that the pencil A is shorter than pencil B.
B.
The pencil A is shorter than pencil B.
B.
Okay. In this way, we can do the comparison between these two pencils. Now, what you see?
Ram and Sham.
Ram and Sham, the boys.
Yeah, the boys are there. Okay. First one is a Ram and second one is a Sham. So, in this picture also, when we compare with Ram and Sham, that time what we can say?
Sham is
Ram is-
shorter than Ram.
Yes. What we can say? Repeat again.
Sham
Sham.
is shorter than Ram.
Yes, Sham is a shorter than Ram. Otherwise, we can say the Ram is a taller than Sham.
Sham.
Is it?
Yes.
Ram is a taller than
Sham.
Sham. Okay.
Yes.
In this way, in this picture also, we can compare the Ram with Sham. Okay. Now, in the next picture, what you can see? What you
A-
see?
Red ball
balls.
and green ball.
Yes, red ball and green ball. Very good. Red ball and green ball. So in this picture, how can we compare with one another?
The
Green ball
green ball is
bigger
bigger
than
than short
red ball.
ball.
Then red ball.
Then red ball. Very good. The green ball is bigger than red ball.
Red ball.
Otherwise, we can say that the red ball is a smaller than green ball.
Green ball.
The red ball is smaller than green ball. We can say that the red ball is smaller than green ball.
Green ball.
Okay.
Yes.
In this, so in this picture, what we compare? In the first picture, we compare the length. The
Yes.
second picture, we compare the height. Okay. In the first picture, we compare the
Yes.
length pencil of A pencil with B pencil. Okay. In the second picture, we compare the height of Ram and height of Sham. And in the third picture, we compare the size. Okay. And we can say the red football is a smaller than green football. Otherwise, you can say the red ball is smaller than green ball. Okay. Means in this picture, all three pictures, we compare one picture with another picture. In the same way, in mathematics also, we can compare the two numbers with each other. We compare means what? We have to find out which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Okay, that means we compare with that two numbers. Now see how to compare the numbers. Okay, and question is that circle the bigger numbers. The numbers are given. From that number, we have to find out which is the bigger and we have to circle it. Now, the first one is given, two numbers are given. We will read,
35
35 and
and
42.
42.
yes, 35 and 42. First of all, what we have to do? We have to find out which is the bigger number. Okay. So, for finding the bigger number, some rules are there. Remember these things. First of all, we have to see that the digit. You have to see that digit. Okay.
Yes.
Now take how many digits are in both number. In first number, how many digits?
35,
35.
How many digits?
2.
2.
Yes, two digits. And in the second number also
2 digits.
two digits. Okay. Both numbers have two digits. That time what you have to do? When both number has the same digit, that time you have to see that which digit is on higher place. Okay. Which digit is on higher place? The digit, the numbers with digit on higher place is that is the bigger number. Okay. Which number has a big digit on higher place? Which number has a bigger digit on a higher place? That number is a big number. In these two numbers, you can see that 35. This one is the unit place and this one is the tenth place. Okay. Which number is on unit place?
5.
5.
And which number is on tenth place?
3.
3.
In the two-digit number, the tens place is the higher place. Okay. In the two-digit number, tens place is the higher place. Okay. Because only two digits are there and only two places are there. So first place is a unit place and second place is a tens place. Okay. So now which digit is on tens place?
3.
Here in the first number, which digit is on tens place?
3.
3.
3. And in the second number, 42, which digit is on tens place?
4.
4.
Now, which is the bigger number, 3 or 4?
4.
4.
That's why the 42 is bigger. And what you have to do, you have to circle it. Because the question is that circle the bigger number. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Now, see in the second number, there are three digits number. Okay? First one is, we will read
352.
352.
and second one is
289.
289.
289. Here also you have to follow the same process. Here only the digits are increasing. Okay. In the first example, there are two digits. And in the second example, there are three digits. First of all, see that how many digits in the first number and second number. Here also three digits and in the second number also three digits. When the digits are equal or digits are same, that time what you have to do? you have to see the higher place. In the 3-digit number, which is the higher place? In a
Three.
3-digit number, which is the higher place? Unit, tens, and
100.
100. Means 100 is the higher place. So now what you have to do? You have to see that which digit is on 100 place. In the first number, which digit is on 100 place?
3.
3. Okay. And in the second number, which digit is on higher place or 100 place?
2.
Then which is the bigger number, 3 or 2?
3.
3. That means 300, 352 is the bigger number. So what you have to do? You have to circle it, because the question is that the circle the bigger number. Okay. Now see example third. How many digits are here?
4.
5.
4
4
digits.
digits.
Okay. And in the second number also has
4 digits.
4 digits. Okay. Means the digits are same. When the digits are same, that time what you have to do? You have to see the higher place number. You have to see higher place number. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, which is the higher place?
1000.
1000.
Yeah, very good. In a four digit number, the 1000 is the higher place. So now here 1000 is a higher place. Then see that which digit is on 1000 place?
5.
Yes, in the first number 5 is on higher place. And in the second number, which digit is on higher place?
6.
6. Means in the 2 digit, which is the bigger, 6 or 5?
6.
6 digit is a bigger. That's why the 6758 is a bigger than 5741.
1.
Okay. Now next example is given. What is the first number? Who will read?
370.
370. And second number?
1265.
1265. While comparing the two numbers, the first rule is that, what is the first rule? We have to see that digit. Okay.
Yes.
Which number has a more digit, that number is bigger number. Okay. Now here you can see that in the first number, how many digits?
3.
3. And in the second number, how many digits?
4.
4. Means it is very easy to find out which number is bigger. Now tell me which number is bigger here.
1265.
Yes, very good. 1265. Why? Because this number has more digit than this number. Okay. The first
Yes.
number has only 3 digits, and the second number has only the 4 digits. That's why the 1265 is a bigger than 370. Okay. Means what we have to do? We have to circle to 1265.
5.
Okay. Understood how to find
Yes.
out the bigger number and smaller number?
Yes.
Now the next number is given 4678.
8.
And the second number is given 4624.
4.
So what you have to do? What you have to see first? You have to see the digits. Okay. How many digits are here in the first number?
4 digits.
4 digits. And in the second number also has
4 digits.
4 digits. Okay. So now here, which is the higher place in a 4 digit?
1000.
1000. 1000 is a higher place. Now see that in the first number, which digit is on thousand place?
4.
4. And in the second number also
4.
4. So when the same digit on a thousand place or a higher place, that time what you have to see? You have to see the next number or next place. Next place is a 100 place. Okay. Before the thousand, which place? 100 place. Okay. Now see the 100 place. Which number is on 100 place? Which
6.
digit is on 100 place?
6.
6. And in the second number also 6.
6.
That time what you have to see? You have to say the next place. Here,
7.
which digit is on tens place? 7. And here, which digit is on tens place?
2.
2. Now compare these two digits, 7 or 2, because the before 7 there are same digits. Here also 4 and 6, and here also 4 and 6. So you have to compare only these two digits, 7 and 2. Okay. Then which is the bigger, 7 or 2?
7.
7. That's why the first number is bigger than second number.
Se-
First number is bigger than second number.
Second number.
Understood? When the higher place is same, when the both number has higher place digits are same, that time what you have to see? You have to see the next place. Here the higher place is 1000. Okay. Here also 4 and here also 4. That time what we can do? What we did? We see the next place, and next place is the 100. 100 place also has the same digit. That time what we say, what we did? We see the
Next
next
number.
place, and next place is the tens.
Tens.
Here 7 and here 2. Okay. So 7 is a bigger than 2. That's why the 4678 is bigger than 4624. Understood?
Yes.
Understood how to find out the bigger number and smaller number. So once again, I'm telling you, while finding the bigger number, first of all, you have to see that the digit, how many digits has in a both number. Which number has a more digit, that number is a bigger number. Okay. If the digits are same, that time you have to see that the higher place of that number. Which number has big digit? Which number has a bigger digit on a higher place? That number is a bigger number. Understood?
Yes.
Now, next, complete the table. Complete the table. Question is that complete the table. The numbers are given. The numbers are given. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four examples are given. And from that 4 examples, we have to find out that which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. And you have to write in that table which is the bigger and which is the smaller. So first example is given. Two numbers are given. We will read the first number.
2342.
Yes, 2342. And after that, next one is
4000. 4210.
very good. 4210. Okay. So now tell me what we have to see first to find out the bigger number. What we have to see? The digit.
Digits.
Okay. First of all, we have to see digit. In the first number also has
4 digits.
4 digits. And in the second also
4 digits.
4 digits. Means when the digits are same, that after that what we have to see? Higher place. We have to see
Higher place.
higher place. And in the fourth 4-digit number, which one is the higher place?
1000.
1000. Very good. 1000 is a higher place. So here, which digit is on higher place in the first number?
2,
2. And in the second number?
4,
4. That means which is the bigger number?
4210.
Yes, 4210 because 4 is bigger than 2. Okay. So you have to, what you have to do? You have to write the bigger number here, 4210,
10.
and smaller number is 2342. Okay. Now, what is the second number? First number is 5642.
2,
And second number
869.
869. Now see here, when the digits are different, when in the both number the digits are different, that time it is very easy to find out which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Okay, because here in the second example you can see that the first number has how many digits?
4 digits.
4 digits. And in the second number has how many digits?
3 digits.
3 digits. Means it is a very easy. Which is the bigger now?
5642.
Yes, very good. 5642 because this number has more digit than the 5642 is a bigger number. So what to do? You have to write here bigger number 5642. And in second column, you have to write the smaller number and it's a 869.
9.
Okay. Now, in the third example, which numbers are given?
6258.
Yes, 6258. And next one is
6840.
6840. Okay. Now, the both number has how many digits? First of all, you have to see that digit. Okay. So both number has how many digits?
4 digits.
First number also has 4 digits and second number also has
4
digits.
digits.
So after that, after digit, what you have to see? You have to see the higher place. You have to see the
Higher place.
higher place. Okay. Now, in the first number, which digit is on higher place?
6.
6. Very good. And in the second number, second number also, which digit is on higher place?
6.
6. Means both number has a same digit on higher place. That time what you have to see? You have to see the
Next place. Before place.
next place. Very good. Okay. Now, next place is
Hundreds.
100 place. So which digit is on 100 place? In the first number,
2.
it's a 2. And in the second number, which digit is on 100 place?
8.
8. That time what you have to do? You have to compare these numbers, 8 and
2.
2. So which is the bigger, 8 or 2?
8.
8 means 6840 is bigger. So you have to write down in this column, bigger column. Sorry, 6840 here, and smaller number is 6258.
58.
Okay. Now the last number is given. Numbers are given. Which
4000.
digits are? Yes. What numbers are given? 4000.
862.
Yes. And next number is
4851.
now. Now tell me what we have to see first. You have to see the
Digits.
digit. Okay. In both numbers has same digit. That time what we have to see?
Higher place.
Yes, higher place. In the first number or higher place, which digit is on a higher place?
4.
Which digit is on a higher place? 4.
4.
Okay. And in the second number,
4.
which digit is on higher place? Here also
4.
4 and here also 4. When the same digit is on higher place, that time what we have to see? We have to see the
Before
before
place.
place. Yes. Which is the before place? 100 place. Okay.
Hmm.
Now which digit is on 100 place? In the first number,
8.
8. And in the second number also,
8.
8. When in the second place also, same digit, that time what you have to see? You have to see the before place. In the first number now, before place is a tens place. Okay. Now in the first number, which digit is on a tens place?
6.
6. And in the second number,
5.
5. That time what we have to do? We have to compare with 5 and 6. Okay. Now which is the bigger, 5 or 6?
6.
6. That's why we have to write here 4,862 is a bigger. So you have to write in a bigger column 4,862.
2.
Okay. Now and 4,851 in a smaller column. 4,851 in a smaller column. Okay. Understood how to find out the bigger number and how to find out smaller number from the given numbers. Okay. You have to go
Yes.
step by step. First of all, you have to see that the digits in both numbers. After that, if the digits are same, that time what you have to see? You have to see the higher place. Okay. Why we have to see the digit? Because which number has more digit, that number is a bigger. In the second example, we learn that the numbers with a more digit, that is a bigger number. Okay. Now, after finding the smaller number and bigger number, we are going to learn that ascending and descending order of a number. Okay. First of all, we are going to learn what is mean by ascending. Ascending means what? Ascending means ascending order of number means, in a simple way, ascending means to climb or to go from smaller to bigger. Yeah, this is the very important, smaller to bigger. Remember this one thing. Ascend. Ascending means smaller to
Bigger.
bigger. Okay. Now you can see that in this picture, one think that one boy is climbing here, climbing the steps. Okay. Now when he climbing from one step to two step to three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Means when he is climbing, that time he is going smaller to bigger. 1 to 8 means 1 is a smaller number, 8 is a bigger number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When we arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger, that means it's a ascending order of a number. Understood? Ascending means what? Ascending means what? Smaller to bigger. This is the very important thing. Remember this thing only. Smaller to bigger. Arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. That means ascending order. Understood? Ascending means what? Ascending means smaller to bigger. Okay. Now, the examples are given. The first example is given, and we have to arrange that numbers in ascending order. Okay, the numbers are given. Three numbers are given. Who will read the first number? To arrange these numbers in ascending order, first of all, what we have to see? We have to find out the smaller number, because the ascending means arrange the numbers smaller to bigger. So in the first example, three numbers are given. First one is a 325, second one is a 265, and third one is a 458. Okay, so to finding to find out the smaller number, what we have to do? We have to see that first of all digits. Okay, here in a three number, all number has a same digit. Here in the first number also three digit, in the second number also has three digit, and in a fourth number also has a three digit. So to finding the smaller number or bigger number, we have to see that first of all digits. After the digit, what we have to see? We have to see the higher place digit. Here in the first number, higher place digit is 3, and in the second number, higher place digit is a 2, and in the third number, higher place digit is a 4. So from these three digit, which is the smaller which number has a smaller digit is on higher place, that number is a smaller. Why we are finding here smaller? Because we have to arrange these numbers as per ascending order. And ascending means what? Smaller to bigger. Okay. So first of all, here you have to write smaller number. Which one is the smaller now? 3, 2 or 4? 2. 2 is a smaller. That's why the 265 is a smaller number. And what you have to do? You have to write here first 265. Okay, we wrote this number. After that, what you have to see? You have to find out the smaller number from these two numbers. Okay, the first one is, in the first number you can see the 3 is on higher place, and in the last number the 4 is on higher place. That's why the 325. 3 is a smaller. So that's why 325 is a smaller number. So you have to write on second number 320. After that, what we have to do? Which number is left now? Only 458. So what you have to do? You have to write in the last 458. This is the ascending order of a number, smaller to bigger. Smaller number is 265 and bigger number is 458. Okay. Now the next example is given, and in the next example here also three numbers are given. Okay, in the next example here also three numbers are given. First one is 572, second one is 390, third one is 97. So what we have to do? We have to arrange these three numbers in a ascending order. To arrange the number in ascending order, first of all we have to find out the smaller number from these three numbers. First of all, you have to see that the digits. The first number has a three digit, second number also has a three digit, and the third number has a only two digit. That's why the third number is a smaller number. So what we have to do? You have to write the smaller number first. Means we have to write 97. Okay. After that, two numbers are remaining now. So from that two numbers, we have to see that digit. The both number has a 3 digit, and after that you have to see higher place. The first number has a 5 is on higher place, and the second number has a 3 is on higher place. That's why the 3 is a smaller than 5. So that's why 390 is a smaller number. 390. And the last one is only one number is remaining, that is 572. Okay, means this is the ascending order of a number. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Means here 97 is a smaller number and 572 is a bigger number. Okay. Now the next one is descending order. Descending means what? Descending means what? Descending means to come down. Here you can see that the arrow come down. Descending means, in a simple way we can say that the descending means to come down or to go from bigger to smaller. In the ascending also, in the ascending order we say that smaller to bigger. So the descending is a totally opposite to the ascending. In the descending order we have to arrange a number from bigger to smaller. Okay. Now for the example, numbers are given and that numbers you have to arrange in a descending order. So first of all, see that what is mean by descending. Descending means bigger to smaller. We have to arrange the given number from bigger to smaller. So first, in the first example, see that three numbers are given: 356, 678, and 298. Okay. Descending means what? Bigger
Array
to
smaller.
small. Okay. Arrange the given number. Ascending means what? Understood? Ascending means what? Ascending means
Smaller to
small,
bigger.
smaller to bigger.
Bigger.
And descending means what? Bigger to
Bigger to smaller.
smaller. Means descending is the totally opposite to the ascending. Descending order means what? The bigger to smaller means the given number we have to arrange from bigger to smaller.
Smaller.
First of all, you have to write big number. Okay.
Thus,
And at the last, you have to write
678.
the smaller number. Okay. Now, for example, here first example is given. Three numbers are given. Okay. And these three numbers you have to arrange in a descending order.
678
Okay.
is bigger than bigger number.
Yes.
678
So while arranging the numbers in a descending order, that time what you have to do? You have to see that which is the, you have to find out first the bigger number. And in these three numbers, which one is the bigger?
678.
678. Here also you have to follow the same process and same rules to finding the bigger number. First of all, you have to see the digit. After that, you have to see higher place digit. Okay.
Yes.
So while arranging the number in a descending order, you have to see that you have to arrange the number from bigger to smaller. So write down first of all bigger number, 678. Okay. Now only two numbers are remaining. This
Teacher,
one and this one.
then
So find out.
356.
Yes, very good. So from these two numbers, 356 is a bigger. So write down in a second number, 356. Now only one number is remaining. that number you have to write at the last.
198.
298 means in these three numbers, 678 is a bigger number and 298 is a smaller number.
Number.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
understood?
Sir, 760.
Yes.
Yes. This is the descending order of a number. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the next example is given, and in the next example also three numbers are given.
The number. 764.
Huh?
Sir,
First one is a
764.
64.
Yeah, 764 is a
64.
bigger.
Bigger
Okay.
number.
So that's why we have to write on first number
First number.
764.
4.
After that,
But
from
then
these two
507.
numbers, yes, from these two numbers, 570 is a.
Bigger.
That's why we have to write on second number 570. After that,
And sir,
only
98.
one is left.
98.
Only one is left, and that is 98.
98.
That means this is the descending order of these numbers. 764 after 570 and after that 90.
90.
This is the descending order of given number.
Number.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what you have to do? The homework is given. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay. First of all, what you have to do? You have to make a column like this. First of all, write down the numbers. After that, you have to write column. In the first column, write down ascending order. Okay. And in the second column, write down descending order. Okay. Then you have to start solving the homework. First of all, write down this number in an ascending order. And here you have to write the same number in a descending order. Understood how to solve the homework? How to write a homework?
Yes. Yes.
Make a column.
Yes,
Make
sir.
a column like this. Okay. Now you can take a
screenshot.
yes. You can take a screenshot also. Otherwise, I will send you on your WhatsApp group. Okay. What you have to do? You have to solve it and send it on your WhatsApp group. Okay. Understood
Yes.
Yes.
how to find out smaller number, how to find out bigger number. Okay. Now tell me, what is the ascending order?
From
Ascending
small.
order means what?
From smaller to bigger.
Small to bigger.
Yes, very good. Small ascending order means to arrange the
Smaller
given number from smaller to
to bigger.
bigger. And descending means totally
From bigger
opposite
to
to
Bigger to
ascending.
smaller.
Yes, means so to arrange a given number from bigger to smaller.
Smaller.
That is descending order.
Order.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.